Video showing a multi-sensor cameras working in NX Witness VMS. So first, let's pull out the fisheye camera that's looking at the overview of our office in Taipei. And then you can see there is a Taipei surround camera. It's a Hanwha Vision model. So you can drag individual camera to the layout, or you can just drag this main icon to the layouts. Once you drag it here, you will see that it shows actually 4 different camera sensors, right? So we can compare with the fisheye view here to put the locations. So let me close this one first. Let me go back to the information, disable motion detection. Then the network optics at upper left. I can move this one here. This is the meeting room right there, and this is the office area right there. So I should put it probably like this, right? So if we use the fisheye view, you can see, oh, this is the wall, and this is the entertainment area, right? And this is the back near the window. We move here. This is the entrance of our meeting room, right? So we have a single multi-sensor camera, and then we can cover. It's not as 360 degree as a fisheye camera, but you can imagine if it's an intersections, no matter it's 2 direction, 3 direction, or 4 directions, we can have a multi-sensor camera to cover it. So let me use motion detection to do a search. For example, if I detected someone walking to the entrance, for example, like this, right? So we can see there are some movements right here, right? And then I want to know if someone walk here in the fisheye camera, right? So if I go there, I can see that there's a person right here and it's captured by the other camera channel of it, right? So if I want to check if someone go to the Windows area, let me check real quick. I think there are some movements here, right? So I think it's just motion detection. Oh yeah, so we have our cleaning lady right here, right? So you can see this is the lower right near to the window area, right? So if we want to know if someone go into the meeting room, we can do the motion detection on the fisheye camera, and then we can take a look at the video to see if someone moves here, like right here. My colleague is right here outside the meeting room, so we can see from one of the camera channels having this person outside of the meeting room, right? So there are different options for you to pick a camera to cover a wide angles of area to monitor, a fisheye camera or a multi-sensor camera. And the beauty of the multi-sensor camera is that if the model, like this one, is listed on our supported device list, there's a page called IPVD. If the model is listed there, even though there are 4 independent channels, right? So you can consider this is 1 camera, this is 2nd camera, this is 3rd camera, this is 4th camera. They come as a whole camera body, right? But just with 4 different lenses. So we actually only require 1 recording license for that. So even though there are 4 camera lenses monitoring 4 different directions, but you only need 1 single professional recording license to record a video like that, right? So the camera will be slightly more expensive than the regular camera for sure, because there are 4 lenses. But for the cabling, you just need a single cable for this camera, power over Ethernet. So 1 single cable. When you compare the VMS licenses, there's only 1 recording license required, and you can enable the recording on 4 different channels, right? So it's a pretty cool and convenient solutions to use NX Witness with a multi-sensor camera. Thank you.